This video is on the objective identify the null and alternative hypotheses for an experiment with one population mean or proportion. I've noticed some of these problems deal with population proportions as well, but still the key is is to set up these null and alternative hypotheses correctly. And this is the second video on a question related to this objective from your Newton Alta homework that I'm working on. And let's take a look. Oops, that's paper. All right. So, question here is simply, again, if you're unfamiliar with the topic, you want to see some more stuff, click on more instruction, look at their videos, their notes, their examples, and hopefully they help you out. Alright, so which of the following results in a null hypothesis p equals 0.69? Again, this is a population proportion, not a mean, but still it's all about setting up the hypotheses properly. And the alternative hypothesis of p is greater than 0.69. Alright, so let's read through these. So here, a mechanic wants to show that the percentage of car owners that follow a normal maintenance schedule is not 69%. That would be that p is not equal to 0.69. So the alternative hypothesis would be p is not equal to 0.69, not just greater than. So this wouldn't set up this particular scenario wouldn't give me these hypotheses. So here, a mechanic wants to show that more than 69% of car owners follow a normal maintenance schedule. And contrary to that, contrary to a study that found the percentage was at most 69, which means 69 or greater. 69 or less. Sorry. He's testing this. More, the percentage is more than 69. That is what the alternative hypothesis would be, and then in the null hypothesis we would assume equality. So yes, this statement, this scenario, I would end up setting up these two hypotheses. Let's see if these are any different. A mechanic wants to show that at most 69% car owners follow. Found the percentage was more than 69%. At most means less than or equal to 69. But again, these are kind of saying the same thing, just flipped. But remember, what they're trying to show, what you're testing, should be in the alternate hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis is really what's being tested. So what we're trying to show should be in the alternative hypothesis, and that's the second statement. Even though they're flipped here and they're basically the same statement, what we're trying to show should be in the alternative hypothesis. And this one involves less than, not more than. So I think I'm good with that second one. Yeah. Alright, and again, I said it here. The alternative hypothesis is the statement you're trying to show. Right? So if they say some researchers trying to show something, some mechanics, some accountant, whatever, whoever's doing the study is trying to show something, that should end up in the alternative hypothesis. And the alternative hypothesis also, remember, does not involve equality. It should have just a greater than, just a less than, or is not equal to. Okay. Alright, and that's it for this. Again, pretty quick and easy. These problems with this objective, being able to set up your null hypothesis, which always involves equals, and then your alternative hypothesis, which is what you're testing, what you're trying to show, and that never involves equality. And thank you very much for watching.